Statute of limitations, we go over it in the materials. I'm gonna say now, for prosecution, you're talking a child right now who would be abused. We can prosecute up to the time that child is 50. I don't know how you do that, frankly. I think it's illusory, but you can't extend for those. For criminal, it's definitely ex post facto. Once you, as a child abuser, have waited out the statute of limitations and it's run, you're done. We can't extend the statute and create windows. Can't be done under the prohibition against ex post facto criminalization of conduct. I don't believe it has. I do not believe it has. We've increased the window. And if the statute hasn't already run, that's fine. Then it gets longer. But my understanding of the law, well, it's 50 for criminal. It's 50, and my understanding of the law is that it's well settled. It's ex post facto with regard to criminal prosecutions. Once the statute's run, it's run. I'm not as sure about civil. Our charge, however, is to deal with the protection of children. The issue of whether somebody who's now 35 or 40 should or shouldn't be able to sue somebody is simply not our, and frankly, I can't tell you how crazy it makes me that that's the idea that pops up with all of the stuff that needs to be done to protect kids, to create the ability for a certain group of people who, maybe had horrible things done to them, maybe they can't, how we're even going to figure that out 30 years later, except guilt by association, I have no idea, but it's not our ballgame. So others may opine on it, and the legislature will deal with it or they won't. It wasn't something that we felt was in our wheelhouse. I believe there's, yes, ma'am, thank you.